Hi everyone, welcome back to Garden Glow. If you've been following my gardening journey, you'll know I started these lettuce, kale, broccoli, and leek seeds a couple of weeks ago. I also shared my 14-day seedling update. I've been looking forward to today because it's finally time to move these little seedlings into the garden. So come and garden with me. I can't believe how much these little seedlings have grown in just a couple of weeks. A few of them became a little leggy while they were growing indoors. So I moved my grow light closer and placed them in a sunny spot inside. They seem much happier now, and I think they are ready for their new home. Before I plant them, I'm just going to get the garden bed ready. I'm adding a bit of compost to give my seedlings a nice healthy start. Now I'm mixing everything through so the compost is spread nicely through the soil. Hopefully this gives the roots a lovely place to grow. While I'm doing this, I'm also having a quick look through the soil for any slugs, snails or grubs. I'd rather find them now than after I've planted my seedlings. I'll start with the lettuce. I'm making sure the crown where the leaves meet the root stays just above the soil. So if it's buried too deeply, it can stay too wet and it may rot. So I'll leave the crown above the soil. Now it's time for the broccoli. These seedlings became a little leggy, so I'm planting them a little deeper to help support the stem. I'm covering most of the stem with the soil, but I'm making sure the leaves stay above the soil. I'm doing the same with kale. Since it's also leggy, I'm planting it a little deeper for support while keeping the leaves above the soil. And now it's time for the leeks. I'm planting them carefully and gently firming the soil around them so they stay nice and upright. I'm giving everything a nice drink of water to help settle the soil around the roots. Now we'll see how they settle in. Fingers crossed they grow well. I'm really happy with how everything turned out. I can't wait to watch these little seedlings grow, and of course I'll share another update with you. Thanks so much for spending time with me in the garden today. If you enjoyed this video, I'd really appreciate if you could give it a thumbs up, leave a comment and subscribe to Garden Glow. And if you have any gardening tips or advice, I'd love to hear from you. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy gardening!